So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So let's get into it. So now, first step, we need to do the daisy that looks like this. This is what the daisy looks like, and you're going to make it. Okay, so now we need to find a white petal that could go on the top. So since it's at the bottom like this, we could just turn it around up to here. So that white petal could go on top of there. Let's do that. So that was already there, so we got two done. So now we need to do they're all at the bottom. Since they're at the bottom, you could, since the petals ain't in the way, you could just turn this like that. You could do the same. And now you got the daisy. So next step is, this is the white cross. So let's get into it. So now you guys made the daisy. There's each colours of the daisy, and these colours need to match to the centre. All you need to do is just turn around the top and match the same colours. So the orange petal needs to go to the orange centre. So turn that to the orange centre. And since we did that, we could just turn the front twice down. Then we've got one stripe done. We have to do the next. Just do that. Do the same. Do the same to the others. Okay, now we've done the white cross. We need to do the corners. That looks like this. So this is what the finished corners look like. I'm going to get into that. So now let's start. So we need to find a white corner that has two different colors on it. So since this have orange and blue, it needs to go between the orange and blue centers. So just turn the top, since it's on the top. Then I want you to do this move. You have to keep doing it until it gets at the bottom. Okay, that piece is done. Now we have to do the next. We have to do the same. Since this is at the bottom, we need to just bring that to the top by doing this. Then now it's at the top, we need to do this move. Okay, we've done these two more. This is the red and blue, needs to go between the red and blue center. Then I have to do this. Okay, done. We have to do that between green and orange center. Now since that's done, we have to move on to the middle layer. So there's this top piece. It has orange and blue. The orange already match into this orange center. Since it's blue, it needs to go to the opposite don't go there, it needs to go here. And I want you to do this move. Do the same. This is red. That needs to go to the opposite. Do this move. Okay. You have to do the same to this one. That's green. Needs to go to the opposite. You have to do the same to this one. Green needs to go to the opposite. Okay, now this is the last layer. So now I want you to do this move. You must have this yellow thing in front of you. So let's do this move. So front down, right up, top turn, right down, top turn backwards, front down. Now, I'm not going to say, I'm already straight to here, so there's different forms of this. I'm going to show you. So this is the fish. If you guys already got the fish, you're very lucky. But I'm going to teach those that don't have the fish. So now, this is what you need to do to get the fish. So if you have a yellow cross like this, you want that have to face to this yellow corner right here. And we have to do this move. Okay, this is the fish. Now we have to do the next. If you have a cross that looks like this, you need to do this. You have to face that way, always face this way. You have to do this. Fish. So, yeah. So now let's get on to the main part. You need to do the same, but the left, because the yellow dot's there. Okay, now we are at our final stage and we are nearly done. So I want you to do this move. This piece is already done, but the piece of this face is already done, but the face that's already done, you have to turn to the right. And I want you to do this move. Okay, now we're at the final part. I want you to do this. Make that at the back and this at the front. And I want you to do this move. Now, the Rubik's Cube solved. If you like this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Give it a like and subscribe.